one of our business partners and friends in the business industry. They are up and running, but they're doing everything they can, following all the guidelines to make sure that social distancing, this environment of COVID-19. Britt, how are you guys holding up first and foremost as a Parris RV family? How are you guys doing?
Yeah, you know, we're doing good. I haven't laid anybody off, which is a great thing, right? Trying to keep everybody on, keep everything going. Obviously, there's not nearly as many people that want to come down and shop on for an RV. So what in person? So what we're doing is, you know, keep in mind there's about 700 RVs on the ground on our website, and so you know you can look at the slideshows. You can take a 360 walk around inside of it, or watch a YouTube video that I do personally myself on these vehicles. We can arrange to you know, get the thing delivered to your house, do all the paperwork without any touch, no contact. But if you do choose to come down here, we're sanitizing everything, keeping our social distancing. We even put inventory sheets at the front of the building without even going in. You can grab that, come out, shop around, look at the vehicles on your own, and hey, just do whatever you'd like to do.
I like to get the information straight from you, because I'm in that group of people. When I hear RV, I think it's this monstrosity of things on wheels, but there's something to fit everybody's size and budget. Wouldn't you say so?
Yeah, you know, we have everything from tent trailers, A-frames, to travel trailers, fifth wheels, toy haulers, and motorhomes. But, you know, 90% of what we sell is going to be just a regular travel trailer or a toy hauler. And, you know, those are great vehicles, you know, to take your family out and have a vacation every day of the week if you really want to. And, hey, right now, if you want to do some social distancing, take one of these travel trailers, take your family, head out on the desert, and have some good old-fashioned family fun.
Well, I was joking with my wife. I'm like, hey, you can have a she shed, I can have an RV, okay? That's how we're gonna do it. Compromise with the wife. You know what I'm saying?
Or if you don't compromise with the wife, you'll have a great place to go.
Well, tell me about some of these products. You know, obviously we won't be able to go in, but tell me some of these things here. Like, I'm looking at that one right there, the small one. I love it. I want one of those.
You know, a little trailer's really nice. I mean, obviously you could take your family out, have a vacation, but you know, if you want to self-quarantine yourself and have a second home, or you know, if you just need an emergency preparedness vehicle, you know, you could have a separate fridge and a furnace and a water tank and a shower and a toilet and a roof over your head and air conditioning and everything you need in your own little home, or just have a second home.
Man, we so appreciate you being open, and everything can be done online. What I'd like to end with, because you know, when they hear from us news guys, they think, oh, that's just something they say. I would love if you would give our audience members, our viewers, a message of hope. You know, calm down, everything's going to be okay, and then hit us with that website.
You know, calming down is a great thing to do, and I just think that, you know, if we can all do what we're supposed to do, you know, do what the CDC says, this will be over sooner than we know it. And that'll, you know, the funny thing is maybe that's about the time our kids will be getting out of school anyway, and who wouldn't want an RV and be able to take your family out to our fabulous 44 state parks, our national monuments, and our national parks, and enjoy some good old family time. If you want to check these RVs out, it's ParrisRV.com.
See what I'm saying? That's what I'm talking about. We're going to make it super easy, too, by putting a link on our website, fox13now.com, and click on the place. All right, we'll see you guys.